We have made it.
Woo! I got it, Mom. Teamwork.
Alright, the animal in my head starts with an S.
Snake. Snake.
No.
Snapping turtle.
No.
Can't think of anything.
Sparrow.
Siberian tiger.
No. The second letter is an H. So it starts with SH.
Seahorse.
It's a specific type of animal.
What type?
Oh my gosh.
It's a mammal. You were looking, you saw this animal you saw a lot of this type of animal recently. Like 5 minutes ago.
All I remember seeing is the miniature ponies.
Where did
Shetland
you see
pony.
miniature?
Yes!
Where?
I don't know. I
Wrigley.
didn't see any.
There's all those ponies at Wrigley!
You're wrong.
Oh
I
my
didn't see
gosh.
a single pony.
Porcupine.
No.
Pigeon.
No.
Possum.
No.
Noel.
Platypus. Platypus.
No.
Penguin.
No.
Peregrine falcon.
No.
Is it a pangolin?
Yeah.
Yes.
What is that?
It's a little armored
If you were
armadillo looking
educated,
thing.
you would know what a pangolin
Yeah,
is.
if you wasn't stupid.
That was a little harsh.
Sorry. I'm in it though.
We have made it to Tater Knob Fire Tower.
And Donna just fell over face first in the road.
I did, but luckily we didn't get that on film.
No, I wasn't trying to.
Go quick.
Go.
Man, you're the only one that can't do it.
I hurt my thigh! That's good, good job. Look at the weirdo reading.
I got it, Mom.
Cool. Is that icy?
Yeah.
So now we've made it to the bottom of the official fire tower.
I'm afraid of heights.
Your butt is so poopy. Hey, sir. You live like 500 miles away.
That's why it's a fire tower. You can see so far. Get away from
How do you feel?
sick.
Why?
Because it's too high.
I don't know. I don't want to go.
How do you feel, Colt?
I feel like I want to go over to the where that like flag is at.
How do you feel, Nono?
Good.
How do you feel, Neve?
I do too.
Down! Come on!
What are you doing? What are you doing, Noel?
On that! Why she's going down? You want she can make it to there. Hey!
Here, don't step on it.
Yeah.
Well, we survived the fire tower.
Barely.
Barely?
Barely.
And now we're headed down. Well, we made it back to the car in one piece.
I wonder if we can make it up this way.
We are on our way to Lockegee. I think that's what it's called.
Yes, guys.
How it's pronounced.
We are.
Noel has never been. Well, we're gonna climb to the top of that.
Teamwork. This is how you do teamwork. Dad, I think I need help now.
We made it to the top.
Let's go.
Well, yeah. Call, sit down on your butt.
Why?
Good job. We finished Lockegee. Well, getting to the top, exploring. Now we're gonna head down and probably go eat some Mexican. We got our Mexican food. Somebody got ice cream.
You all got ice cream.
No, nobody else got ice cream but him. And
Wait.
we're headed home. See you guys.